Did you know we are the main UK Wisefab distributor, and we have lots of Wisefab in stock. What can I help you with, sir?
Steering rack relocation on S-body.
Ah, here we go. Here is the Wisefab steering rack relocation kit you require.
You're so embarrassing.
It's so...
What are you doing?
Trying to do YouTube. Isn't this the YouTube thing?
And this is the next bit. It's a Wisefab steering rack relocation kit. I believe it moves the rack forwards, removes the use of offset rack spaces on the tie rod ends. So you know about as much as this as me at the moment. So I'm going to open it up, see if there's any instructions and figure out what I've got to do with it. That's everything unboxed. I've had a quick look through the instructions. It's very good instructions, to be fair. It's got templates in the back which I need to cut out, which mark out the original subframe to where I need to cut to slot this in. It's got the main bracket piece here, all the fixings, a little extension for the steering column because the rack moves a bit further away. And these two pieces look like a brace to stop the subframe from warping while you're welding it, which is a nice touch. Guess I'll get back on with stripping that bit down. I've spent a bit of time cutting out all the templates. It's as simple as line them up on the piece and draw around them. And eventually you end up with a cut line all the way around. So I'll double check on the instructions one more time that I've got all that in the right place, and I'll cut the thing up. Next stage is to drill these two back mounting holes out to 14mm. Let's see if I can do it one-handed, but I can't. It'd help if we had a tool that cut. 1 minute. Now then, time to start the cut. Oh, that's pretty much the piece removed. It's quite a delicate cut in this area because you're going through a couple of layers at different angles, but I'm pretty sure I've got it out. I better go and get the piece and make sure that it slides in. That's the item roughly in place. Just need to clean up a bit more of the powder coat off the subframe before we start the welding, but it looks like it's going to work out alright. This next bit is nothing to do with fitting the kit, but because we've got a fill. These are being removed because we don't use them anymore, and this one's been half hacked off in the olden days anyway, so just going to trim these back to make the thing flat before I weld this on. Fat. There we go, I'm happy with the fit now, or as happy as I'm ever going to be. That's the piece bolted in. I've just trimmed these ears off ours because normally your engine mounted go up there, but because ours doesn't need that, there was no point having a bit sticking up. On to the next bit, which is brace the thing for welding. So I'm just going to stick with the jig or brace or whatever you like to call it on there, and I'll get on with tacking this in place. So I'm just going to go around the whole thing doing multiple tacks and then seam it in. The instructions say to leave this brace on while you're doing all the welding, and the two spacers and bolts in the mounting position, so I'll follow that as best I can. That'll do. Oh, pretty respectable for me. Quite happy with that. I guess it's time to make sure the rack fits. It fits. Bonus. Nice thing about this kit is you don't need to worry with left and right hand drive. The kit's symmetrical. So if you want to run a left-hand drive, just flip the rack round and crack on.